here is my wiring loom installation so far. As you may see by the fact the camera's lights come on, it's getting much darker now. So I've been at this most of the day, but what I've done is where it was wrapped a bit more, I've unwrapped it a bit with the intention that I can move the resistors further out from the bundle. That way hopefully the heat won't come up from them. I'm going to have that connector there with the forward loom running along the back there, which hopefully then run and then round the back to the front of the van. I'll have to be a bit careful with that, obviously past those resistors I don't know how hot they're going to get. The other thing I might do is run it from there, through there, over there and through the gap there. Also at the moment I'm intending to run the immobiliser bit down between the two like that. Have my fuel pump relay and the main relay sat on the top, which, although not brilliant, there's not much else, nowhere else to put them because the other set of resistors are going there. My earth is on top. I'm going to have to extend that. I'll do that, that's no problem. I've got this purple thing, which I'm not sure where the hell that goes. I don't think it goes anywhere. Right, that is just a Subaru monitoring thing, so I'll just probably screw that under here somewhere. And my OBD2, which I'll probably leave connected most of the time, so again my intention is to fit that on here somewhere. So it's a bit cramped in this installation, but that way I get to use the van to its maximum, and I'll put it on, not only is it on the plywood, it's also on a heat resistant foam, so hopefully these bits won't get too hot when the engine and the heater in the back's running. Right, this is the passenger side storage bed box thing in, and as you can see it's a bit on the tight side. What I need to do is make sure I put, obviously these are all within the cable tie, that'll be clear. I might move that in a bit, it's a bit, but doesn't catch on the main loom, which is good. There's no real tolerance in that, but fits. So as you can see, I've got room to fit the loom around the edge for the other side. Key is clearing the seat legs now, so box wise we're good. Right, as you can see, generally we're pleased with that. Fits in the seat configuration, good clearance between the seat leg and the loom. The only bit is literally like a centimetre too far forward for the ECU. So what I'm going to do is cut this bit off, slide it all back in a centimetre, boom, job's good. And yes, it will be a little bit more or less fixed, but not the end of the world, I don't think. There's basically, if anything, the front of this, but I don't really want the seat resting on it. I don't think it's, that's probably not, yeah, actually the seat is in the air, so it would press down on it, so we definitely have got to move it in by at least a centimetre. Nervousness with that is it's moving it much closer to the gearbox control unit. Overall, look, not near the base of the seat. Admittedly, the seat's not, as you just noticed, not down as far as it could go. It's not on the floor, but I think we're pretty close fit. I might put a protector over it all, but basically I'm going to wrap the loom. This can go around the other side as I showed. It's going to go screwed underneath on the other side, I think. Right, ECU is in this new home. Looms, although not tidied obviously, are in place. Now, key bit, you just see there is the seat, just clears the ECU. I mean, when I say just clears, touching. Yeah, picture, no, probably not. It fits over it, so the seat's not resting on the ECU. That's the crucial bit. Now this cable here, don't worry about that. That's not in its final resting place. That's for the key bit of the immobiliser. I need to find a new home for that. But the good news is it all fits. So with literally millimetres to spare. So got some work to do to fix that. Just fix it all in place. I've got to build the front loom now. Got some instructions which came with my loom kit. Follow those, but I'm quite pleased with this bit of the installation. I still haven't moved this bit here. It's going to move further over yet. I'm going to see, I need possibly help for myself, being the biggest, sat on it. See how far it all goes down. Make sure I'm not squashing anything. I'll wrap the loom anyhow, so it'll be protected. The additional loom that I have to build now, which takes the parts from here to the front of the van to the speedo, so it can pick up road speed, which is needed for the ECU, as well as it does things like the engine warning lights and the rev counter as well. So that goes to this connector here, and then I'll get the engine running, and then I'm going to tidy up the loom, because when I remove some of the insulation, there's some sort of wires like this that go nowhere. So I'll tidy those up and insulate the ends. This one here is another one that goes nowhere, not required anymore, but I'll just tidy that up before I wrap it, and make sure that bits like this are kept neatly down as far as possible, so they'll clear the underside of the seat, and also keep them away from these, because I'm not sure how hot they're going to get. So see how we run with that. Quite looking forward to it. And then we'll see about starting it, which hopefully should start first turn of the key.